Alright guys, so this will be a short one. We are going to quote-unquote viper cut the Landcruiser. So kind of low clearance in the front, as you can see, trying to clear a few things. I've got some scrapes. The other side's not so bad. That's the passenger side. So this is just from rock crawling. It happens. Nice thing is these are totally replaceable, so I'm not worried if I screw this up, but I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So first thing we're going to do is define our lines. I'm going to basically just follow this line, and I'm going to go about 1/4 of an inch below it just to leave a little, and I'm going to use some door trim. And then on this side, I am going to take it actually right to this button because I want to leave that security. We're getting rid of this security here, but I want to leave this. So basically, I'm going to go up here and here. So let me take that off, and I'll come back to y'all, show you how we do it. All right, we got our bumper masked off here. Now I needed to use black electrical tape because this actually curves just a little bit. So as you can see, we're pretty consistent, about 1/4 of an inch right there. And believe it or not, viper cuts start with a hole saw. So what you do is take your saw, figure out where it's going to hit both sides, and this is actually your very first cut. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then the dremel's next. So I did check the back side. There's no electronics on the other side, so we're good. So we're going to cut this section, and we're going to cut this section, and we're going to leave this alone. So what's going to happen is the final cut's going to go here. It's going to appear to curve up and go around, but we're only going to do straight cuts here and here. So I have my rotary, and I'm going to do that, and then I will stop because there is some backing that we're going to need to trim. Okay guys, so when you're done, you're going to want to clean the slag, all of this stuff. You can do it with your hands. The easiest method I found is I actually just take a razor and kind of skim it along. Cleans up nicely. You're not aiming for perfection here, or maybe you are, maybe you're that type of person, but this is your friend. This is door trim, so you just put it on and it cleans up all the lines. So yay.